Meet Eon, the next generation in urban electric transportation. Eon is the first bolt-on kit that can convert any skateboard into an ultra-light and powerful electric vehicle. It's simply a matter of attaching our motor and power pack to your skateboard, and you're ready to roll. Eon is a radical new transportation solution. It will transform the way you move around the city. You'll zip through traffic and expand your ability to use any mode of transportation.
As a grad student at MIT, I commuted on my longboard and began to imagine what the future of transportation could be like. When I moved to San Francisco and created my first electric longboard, I knew I was onto something. I then connected with a group of amazing designers and engineers to take this idea to the next level.
Forget about car payments, gas, and parking. With Eon, you'll save money and enjoy your commute in a completely revolutionary way. Each motor can deliver more than 1,000 watts of raw power and can push you to top speeds of over 35 kilometers per hour. By integrating with your wheels, we've reduced drag so you won't even feel it's there when pushing. Our OFOC technology makes the ride completely smooth and silent, so stealthy that it'll be hard to even tell you're on an electric board. Well, besides the fact that you'll be able to fly uphill. Our kit is modular. You can choose between 1 or 2 motors and batteries to optimize for range and terrain. One pack gives you up to 12 kilometers of range, which can be doubled with a second pack. Installing Eon is a breeze. Just swap your wheels for our motor and slide the battery pack under your trucks. If you don't have a board, we offer 3 types to suit your riding style that will come completely pre-assembled. Eon is great when you're learning how to ride. You can bomb down any hill confidently with the safety of regenerative braking that will recharge your board while slowing you down. The Eon remote takes advantage of the latest in advanced biomechanics research to create the most comfortable, intuitive, and ergonomic controller available today. Your Eon experiences can be controlled by our mobile app. Fine-tune your board, review your stats, and even connect with other riders. We've designed Eon to be a platform for all your urban transportation needs. Its modular design will allow you to swap the power pack from your board to other electric vehicles. We are already designing Eon for bikes.
Hi, my name is Kevin O'Donnell, and I'm the inventor of Motobag. It all started a few years back after I met this little family of breakdancers. I sponsored them to fly out to New York to try out for Paul Abdul's With the Dance. As we're going through the airport, we're loaded up with backpacks and all the different gear, and the boys are taking turns as I'm pulling my carry-on, riding on top of it. All of a sudden I got the idea, you know what? Why not motorize these? What a better way to get around. Well, I was going to need some help, and the first person I thought of was my buddy Boyd.
We just got back from Daytona 200, we won, and Kevin came with this idea about the Motobag. And I looked at it and I thought, wow, this is a great idea. How can we make this a reality? You know, we've had all these different vehicles that we've put motors to, and I said we could motorize this. So immediately we went out and started getting some parts. One of the biggest hurdles was fitting all of this into a carry-on size bag. We wanted to retain at least 85% of the interior, and all of the parts that we use had to be really small. We started with skateboard parts, rollerblade parts, scooter parts, and we thought it's a good start, but we had to make it work properly. We've got CNC machine, steering column, telescoping aluminum bars, foot pegs that pop out. We've got a lot of stuff that isn't on anything that's currently on the market.
It's carry-on size, it's got a 5-mile range, up to 8 miles an hour. It's 22 by 9 by 14.
Does it have a battery inside?
Yeah, it's got batteries, but they're both under 150 mAh, which is TSA compliant and UN compliant.
My name is Dennis Lorenzo with Cover Airlines. I'm the senior manager of baggage. Here with Kevin O'Donnell. Totally impressed. I was like, what the hell is this? Impressive.
It is practical because you should have seen me coming into Union Station this morning with my 2 toes, like lugging them across the street. Like I could have packed everything in.
We've gone through proof of concept. We've had over 100 people ride them. The response has been unanimously positive. No matter who you put on the bag, as soon as they get their feet on the pegs and hit that throttle, just a smile. Not only is it functional, but it's an awful lot of fun.
Oh my God, everyone try this.
What do you think?
I thought that was so cool.
So after a year of really hard work and assembling a great team of people who have backed us all the way, we're finally at the point where we're ready to go to production. With your help, we'll be able to do that and change the way the world travels.
Hi, I'm Nathan Joftis. I'm the founder and chief scientist at Bolt Motorbikes. When was the last time that you really looked forward to your commute across the city? I'm an inventor, and so I set out to solve a problem that my friends and I faced every day, and that's that getting around the city sucks. As a lifelong motorcycle rider, I wanted to create a motorbike that I enjoyed riding, but that you didn't have to be an experienced rider to enjoy. Today, it's my pleasure to introduce you to the M1. It's a smart, fully electric motorbike that's fun and easy to ride. Like a bicycle, you don't need a license, you don't need registration, and you don't need insurance. You've got enough power to climb any hill in the city, keep up with traffic, and you can park them on the sidewalk, so your parking and traffic problems disappear. The M1 is designed for performance and a motorcycle-like experience. But you can go to places on an M1 that you just can't get to on a motorcycle. And you can go faster and farther than any bicycle. It's the ultimate urban transporter. The M1 is city-friendly and low maintenance. But if you want to unlock some real fun, just dial in sport mode for off-road use. And just like a bicycle, the M1 is fast and efficient, and it's totally green. It's a great way to reduce your carbon footprint, but what I really like about it, it's a hell of a lot of fun to ride. When a wheel spins all the way around, it's a complete revolution. At Bolt Motorbikes, we're imagining something astonishing, having fun every day getting around the city. But creating an electric vehicle is a costly endeavor. By supporting our campaign, you're helping us bring these cool motorbikes to production. Many thanks for believing in us. Without you, we wouldn't be where we are today. So thanks again, and keep the rubber side down.
Introducing SmartPad, the first kick assist e-bike. SmartPad is your perfect urban getaway. It's the smartest move around the city. Whether you're on your way to work, traveling distances and combining other means of public transport, or just cruising around and enjoying the view. This is how it works. One single kick and this amazing new kick assist system automatically propels you further and extends your ride. The all-in-one electric motor, battery, and electronics come from the Smart Wheel concept, all fitted in the rear wheel. The aluminum housing, consisting of an electro motor, battery sets, electronics, and forward-thinking sensors, meticulously assembled and crafted into a wonderful piece of tech. As you give it a kick, the electric motor turns on and gives you an assist to extend your ride. This innovative technology will also support the only legal e-kick bike on the market. It all started in New York 100 years ago with AutoPad, a motor-propelled bike for delivering post or occasional getaways. And it goes on today with SmartPad in a new, foldable and light design for the comfortable ride that fits both feet. 16-inch wheels make the ride outstandingly stable, and its minimal and clean design glows as it glides through the city streets. It's an open source design that lets you upgrade and tweak your SmartPad with new features and goodies. Connect your SmartPad with the BitRide app. Track how you ride and get suggestions for alternative routes to make your commute safer, easier, and more fun.
Our lives are defined by our unique experience, from seeing sights, discovering places, and meeting people. Introducing a new way to explore your world, the Spectra, Walnut Tech is revolutionizing the electric skateboard with the world's first 3D posture control system and an advanced braking system. These new technologies make it possible for anybody to master riding the Spectra. Measuring at only 19.4 inches long and weighing less than 12 pounds, the Spectra is extremely portable to go anywhere. Built with a water-resistant carbon fiber unibody and integrated LED indicators, the innovative design allows you to stand out from the crowd. Driven by its powerful hub motors with a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a range of 12.4 miles per charge. These amazing features can get you to your destination swiftly and smoothly. The magnetic flash charger brings quick charging technology to portable mobility in an elegant way. It only takes 90 minutes to fully charge your Spectra. Communicate with your Spectra using the Walnut Go app. Use your mobile phone as an optional remote control. Share your journey, or even share your Spectra with your nearby friends. With the Spectra, it makes exploring the world incredibly fun. Welcome to mobility. Welcome to innovation. Welcome to Walnut.